FitLab PGH back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack. This one is directed to dog owners who take their dogs hiking. You get off road, you may be 3, 4, 5 miles or longer from where your car is. And sometimes unplanned things happen, so you want to be prepared. The Black Lab here tore her dew claw yesterday. Fortunately, it was at home, so we were able to bandage it, get her to the vet to get it cauterized. But if I was out on the trail, I would also be ready to bandage it with a little pet first aid kit that's got things directed for pets, a spare leash if I might need that, and if she cuts her paw, I also carry 1 or 2 dog boots so I can protect her paw. We can get back to the car. A lot of times the injuries the dog's going to get isn't going to be serious, but if you're not prepared, it can be difficult to get a 65 or 75 pound lab back on my back. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from the Labradors at FitLab PGH.